Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some country-inspired home decor. Let's start the video. Country-inspired home decor is a warm, cozy and welcoming decorating style that draws inspiration from rural life, rustic charm and the simplicity of traditional farmhouses or cottages. It is about bringing the comfort of the countryside indoors, using natural materials, vintage touches, and handcrafted elements to create a relaxed, homey atmosphere. Country-inspired home decor is about comfort, simplicity, and warmth, where every piece feels like it has a story and a soul. Philosophy behind country decor. At its heart, country-inspired decor is about comfort, tradition, and nature. It values things that feel authentic, handmade, and timeless, rather than sleek or overly modern. It is less about perfection and more about warmth, a style that welcomes you in and makes you want to stay. Core elements: textures from nature. Use rough wood, stone walls, open baskets, linen curtains, and cotton cords. Bring the outdoors inside. Furniture, usually sturdy and functional, often with weathered or antique look. Use farmhouse tables, rocking chairs, and rustic cabinets. Patterns, use florals, gingham checks, plaid, and stripes are classic. They are often layered for a cozy, lived-in feeling. Accessories, use handmade craft, pottery, enamel art, copper bands, and vintage collectibles add personality. Lighting, soft and warm. Think lanterns, iron candelabras, or lamps with fabric shades. Color palette, use soft neutrals like cream, beige, taupe, and soft gray. Nature-inspired hues like sheath green, muted blues, burnt red, and mustard yellow. Warms wood, honey, oak, or darker rustic finishes. This palette keeps the home looking gentle and shooting. Different styles of country decor. French country, romantic and elegant, with distressed white furniture, candelabras, and soft pastels. English country cottage, cozy, floral, layered textiles, and charming clutter. American farmhouse, practical, rustic wood, iron accents, and classic red, white, blue details. Rustic country, heavy wooden beams, stone fireplaces, enameled hearths, and a cabin-like feel. Vintage country chic, use soft feminine with lace, crochet, and antique details. Atmosphere created, a sense of home and belonging. Spaces that feel lived in, not showroom perfect. A mood of nostalgia, like visiting grandma's house or a countryside retreat, always welcoming, warm, and comfortable. Country-inspired home decor blends nature, tradition, and coziness into a timeless and heartwarming style. The emotional essence of country decor, nostalgia, and storytelling. Every pieces feel like it has a history, whether it is an inherited quilt, a chipped enamel jug, or a wooden rocking chair. Simplicity and calm, it reflects the solar rhythm of country life, where things are made to last and comfort comes first. Homeliness and warmth. It invites people to relax, gather, and feel at ease. More lived in than styled. Decorative details that stand out. Their textiles, quilts on beds, throws on sofas, table runners with embroidery. Open shelving, displaying crockery, enamel mugs, jugs of spices, or handmade pottery. Flowers and greenery. Use fresh picked wildflowers, dried lavender bundles, or potted herbs on the windowsill. Handmade touches. Use crocheted towels, embroidered cushions, or hand-painted wooden sign. Vintage finds, old clocks, galvanized buckets, lanterns, and baskets repurposed as storage. Mood through colors and textures. Soft and inviting. Cream, light white, pale shades, and dusty blue soften the space. Warm accents. Use terracotta boards, rustic, red burnt tones, honey oak oud. Natural feel. Use stone, wood grain, open cane, and oat iron add authenticity. How country decor fills in different rooms. Kitchen, the heart of the home, with farmhouse sinks, wooden countertops, open shelving, mason jars, and copper pans. Living room. Use cozy setting, a stone fireplace, floral curtains, and layered rugs. Bedroom. Iron bed frames, patchwork quilts, floral bedding, and soft lighting. Dining area. A big farmhouse table with mismatched chairs and fresh flowers in a jug. Why people love it? It is timeless, never goes out of style. It is personal, full of meaningful, sentimental items. It is versatile, can be rustic, elegant, romantic, or practical depending on taste. It is grounding, connects us to nature and a simpler way of life. Continuous plant decor is less about decorating and more about creating a warm, soulful home where comfort, tradition, and beauty meet. Let's explore even deeper layers of continuous plant home decor, including its philosophy, sensory appeal, and how it interacts with lifestyle beyond just furniture and colors. Philosophy and lifestyle connection. Continuous plant decor is not just a style, it is a way of living. It emphasizes slower pace. Rooms are designed to be lived in, not just looked at. Sustainability and longevity, using natural materials and handcrafted items that last. Connection to nature, windows open to sunlight, plants indoors, textures and colors inspired by earth, field, and woodlands. Storytelling, decor items often have personal or historical significance, an old chest, a quilt, or vintage crockery. Key elements of the style, natural materials, wood, like distressed or polished stone, earth iron, linen, cotton, wicker, and clay. Mood and emotional appeal, comfortable and welcoming, encourages lingering and connection, nostalgic and heartfelt, evokes memories of simpler times or family homes. Organic and grounding, emphasize natural textures, colors, and materials to create a calm environment. Personal and expressive, combine antiques, handmade pieces, and family heirlooms with functional living. Continuous Path Home Decor is about creating a timeless, soulful, and natural space where comfort, simplicity, and personal storytelling take center stage. It is a lifestyle as much as a decorating style. Room's characteristics: living room, use cozy setting, fireplace, layered rugs, soft throws, and vintage decor. Kitchen, use farmhouse sinks, wooden countertops, open shelves with jars and copper pans. Bedroom, use iron or wooden beds, patchwork quilts, embroidered pillows, and soft curtains. Quiet is loved. Timeless never really goes out of style. Encourages display of heirlooms, handmade items, and collected treasures for personal touch. Comforting, feels welcoming and inviting to all who enter. Versatile, can be rustic, romantic, vintage, or chic depending on accents and textures. Continuous Path Home Decor blends nature, tradition, and comfort into a space that is warm, lived in, and emotionally resonant. It is about creating a home that feels timeless, grounded, and inviting. Popular substyles: Prince sketching, elegant yet rustic. Uses pastel colors, distressed furniture, and candelabras. English cottage, cozy floral prints, layered textiles, warm and inviting. American farmhouse, for practical, rustic wood, simple lines, neutral colors with pops of warm tones. Rustic country, heavy wood, stone accents, cabin-like coziness. Vintage country chic, use soft colors, lace, crochet, and antique touches for a romantic feel. Continuous Path Decor creates a timeless, soulful home that combines nature, heritage, and comfort. It is a style that values warmth, personal storytelling, and a lived-in atmosphere over perfection, making homes feel welcoming and grounded. Let's go into practical tips for creating or enhancing a continuous path home decor style. This will help you bring out the cozy, timeless countryside feeling in your own spaces. General tips: mix old and new. Blend modern comforts with vintage or rustic accents, like sleek sofa with an antique wooden coffee table. Choose imperfect beauty, distressed furniture, chipped paint, and weathered finishes add charm. Layered textures: use wood, wicker, cotton, linen, lace, and stone together for depth and warmth. Keep it cozy, avoid overly formal setup. Aim for inviting, lived-in arrangement. Bring nature indoors. Use fresh flowers, potted herbs, branches, and natural light whenever possible. Decor and styling tips: textiles, layer quilts, knitted shawls, embroidered pillows, and gingham or floral curtains. Floors: add beaded jugs, jute mats, or vintage-style area rugs. Walls: hang rustic shelves, botanical prints, antique mirrors, or family heirloom photos. Lighting: use warm-toned lamps, lantern-style lights, or candles for a soft glow. Accessories: place open baskets, enamel or ceramic pitchers filled with flowers. Extra creative touches: DIY decor. Make your own crochet pillow covers, hand-painted sign or messenger lanterns. Upcycling. Repurpose old crates as shelves or turn vintage ladders into towel holders. Heritage pieces. Display family heirlooms, handmade pottery, or antique clocks for authenticity. Seasonal touches. Spring, use fresh flowers and pastel linens. Summer, light cotton curtains and herb baskets. Autumn, use pumpkins, dried leaves, warm plaid blankets. Winter, old straws, pine cones, candle lanterns. Tips to remember: continuous plant decor is less about matching and more about blending. Let each piece have its own story while creating a warm, harmonious space. Why people love country decor: timeless and enduring, never truly goes out of style. Warm and inviting, creates a cozy, lived-in atmosphere. Personal and expressive, encourages inclusion of family heirlooms and handmade pieces. Flexible and versatile, can be rustic, romantic, vintage, or chic depending on accents and materials. I think today's ideas will help you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.